Good morning, students. In this video we are going to talk about anatomy of flowering plants. In this anatomy, it is important MCQs are going to discuss. This is very useful for NEET. Before we go to the topic, I am Dr. Sudha. My qualification is MSc Triple MEd and PhD, gold medalist and university rank holder. I have got 15 years of teaching experience and in various institutions, that is leading competitive exam institution, that is NEET. In that period it is called AAPMT. We are giving coaching through online and offline. So you can contact at any time through WhatsApp. So first question. You are given a fairly old piece of dicot stem. And a dicot stem and a dicot root. Which of the following anatomical structure will use? Distinguish between these two. So if you are giving old piece, see this key point is old piece. What are the pieces? Dicot stem and dicot root. Option is secondary xylem, secondary phloem, protoxylem, cortical cells. What is the answer? See, if it is an old piece of xylem, you cannot find a secondary xylem, then secondary phloem. See here, in the secondary xylem and protoxylem, you can find protoxylem in the old piece of dicot stem. That is, secondary xylem means it is what you call metaxylem. So you can find protoxylem. So answer is C. So we can go to next question. Which of the following part of dicot root is made up of cells with a suberin deposition in tangential cell as well as radial wall? See, if you take see epidermis. In epidermis it is thin walled structure, barrel shaped structure. There is no deposition. Then only through root has water is entering into the epidermis. It is covered with a cuticle. So cuticle deposition is there. Here what is asking? Suberin deposition. So epidermis is not the answer. Next go to endodermis. Endodermis is inner side of the, that is next to the cortex is endodermis. Endodermis is a barrel shaped structure. In barrel shaped structure, the tangential wall and radial wall you can find a suberin deposition. So the answer is endodermis. There is no suberin deposition in cortex and xylem also. The answer is C. Which of the following characters are not applicable to the anatomy of dicot stem? Choose the correct option given below. See which are not, the key point is which are not applicable. So which is not. So not, you can keep it in mind. See collenchymatous hypodermis, not applicable. So collenchymatous hypodermis is present in dicot stem. So this is not applicable. Polyarch xylem. Talk about polyarch xylem. In polyarch xylem, so in dicot stem you can find polyarch xylem. Next is the presence of Casparian strips on the endodermis. Yes, it is present on the endodermis. Open vascular bundle. It is not applicable. They are asking not applicable. So here presence of Casparian strips in endodermis is not applicable to the dicot stem. Open vascular bundle. It is open vascular bundle only. Presence of medullary rays of this. So this is also not correct. So answer is B. So answer B. We can go to next question. Which of the characters do not apply to the vascular bundle of monocot? Monocot stem. What is the type of vascular bundle? Do not apply. So answer is, see here, this is this is answer. See, phloem parenchyma is absent, so does not apply to the vascular bundle of monocot stem. So phloem parenchyma is absent. So answer is D. Next is when one wood is lighter in color. When one wood is lighter in color, lower density. The other wood is dark with higher density. They are. So what is the answer? Spring wood and autumn wood, hot wood and late wood, spring wood and early wood, sap wood and spring wood. See, spring wood and autumn wood. Spring wood is lighter in color, lower density. Autumn wood is darker in color, lighter density. See, in this case, you have to read the definition of the spring wood and autumn wood. So, answer is A. Next is choose incorrect statement. Underline this word, incorrect statement. Gymnosperm lack vessels in xylem. This is correct statement, so this is not applicable to this question. The cell wall of collenchyma is made up of cellulose and hemicellulose pectin. This is also present, but this is not applicable to this question because it is incorrect. The first formed primary xylem elements are called protoxylem. This is correct, but this is not applicable. Here they asked incorrect. So next, the wall of parenchyma is made up of pectin. So wall of parenchyma will not made up of pectin. So this is the right answer for this particular question. Gymnosperms have albuminous cells and sieve tube in their phloem. This is also not applicable. So answer is D. In dichotomous stem, which of the following sequence of the tissue from inside to outside? So order the tissues. See, first outer layer is, see inner, look at the sequence, inside to outside. So inside to outside is, see you can write pith. Next to pith is protoxylem. Dicot stem, in dicot stem next is protoxylem because it is what type of xylem? Protoxylem towards the center, metaxylem towards the periphery. So next is protoxylem. Next to that is metaxylem. Then cambium, after that only cambium because secondary growth will be there, no? Protoxylem, metaxylem, cambium, then phloem. Next to phloem is pericycle. Next to pericycle is endodermis. From inside to outside we are writing endodermis. Next to endodermis is parenchymatous cortex or collenchymatous cortex. So collenchyma, then epidermis. This is the exact match. Which one is matching? Pith, phloem. First of all, you write down this thing, then you can check out. Then only you will not do any mistake. So phloem will not come after pith. So this is ruled out. Pith, cambium. This is also next to pith, cambium will not come. Pith, phloem, protoxylem, metaxylem, cambium. So this is also ruled out. So answer is D. A piece of wood having no vessels, then it must be belong to. See, vessels. Vessels starts from angiosperm. Vessels are the characteristic feature of angiosperms. So here this is angiosperm, 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 but this one is gymnosperm. So vessels are absent in gymnosperm. So answer is C. Which one of the following character is not found in transfer section of monocot stem? That is TS of monocot. Not found. Not found in monocot stem. See here, sclerenchyma bundle sheath is in monocot stem. Yes. Lysigenous cavity, yes. Sclerenchymatous hypodermis, yes. But starch sheath will not appear in monocot stem. So the statement which one the starch sheath is the correct answer. So answer is D. Identify correct pair. Look at this question. Correct pair. Functions of sieve tube. Functions of sieve tubes are controlled by nucleus of companion cell. Yes, obviously. So this is correct. First of all, you are seeing first question. So this is the answer. No, you should not like that. You should not write like that. You should read every option, then you decide. So albuminous cells are present in angiosperms. No. Or albuminous cells are present in angiosperm. In dicot root, the vascular cambium is completely secondary in origin. Vascular cambium. Yes, cylindrical meristem contribute to the formation of primary plant body. So this is wrong. So answer is 1 and 3. Look at this option. Where do you find 1 and 3? So here A is 1 and 3. Should not fix it in this option alone. You should go through all the options. So 3 and 4 no. 1 and 2 no. 2 and 3 no. So answer is A. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, you write it in the comment box and discuss with me. Thank you.